I had a total hip replacement. My left hip was replaced. I'd gone from walking my dogs 20 miles a week to winding down, getting to the point where I was concerned that if I started a walk, I'd be able to finish the walk. I was in almost constant pain. But the worst thing was the psychological aspects of it. I'd gone from being kind of tentative about walking to then becoming timid about walking to, in the final stages before the surgery, I was almost terrified to go walking. Basically what he said after the x-ray, well, your right hip is perfect, your left hip is gone. Rather than being apprehensive about that, I said, okay, great. Now I have a diagnosis, can we do surgery tomorrow? It went like clockwork, everything was coordinated, all these steps were thought out, and everybody on the team was a subject matter expert on it. So if I had any remaining uncertainties after the surgery, they disappeared the minute I came out of anesthesia. So it was terrific. The enthusiasm and the compassion of the people on the floor, they were all terrific without exception. I can't say enough about it. I was very lucky to have experienced it. I'm back to doing 20 miles a week with my dogs. I walk everywhere if I can. Things I'd stopped doing because of concern about weakness and pain, I could do again. And then getting to the point where I actually wasn't thinking about it. So it was just second nature to feel fit again. It gave me my life back, it really did. If you can make a choice to have this kind of basically life-changing surgery done at a dedicated institute that's dedicated to that kind of procedure, by all means, do it. Nothing falls through the cracks. Everybody is on the same wavelength. All the ducks are in a row. I could just sling metaphor after metaphor at you, but if you have that option, there's no reason not to take advantage of it.